Hi guys, my name is Vikas and today's brand we have to talk about is H&M. So H&M is a fashion brand from Sweden. It's a Swedish brand and it is established in the year 1947 by Erling Persson. So he opened a small shop in 1947 which is exclusively for women, and he gave the name to the shop Henny's. And the shop is exclusive for women, and the shop is doing good business in the market, and he is doing like such a good business in market. And in 1964 he opened a store in Norway, and from there in 1968 he acquired Moritz, and from then men's wear collection came into existence of H&M brand. And yeah, then in 1968 they changed their brand name and get it, Henny's and Moritz, and in short H&M. So it's a brand for fast fashion clothing, and it is the oldest brand in the field of fast fashion. And yeah, it has over like 5,000 stores all over the world, across the world till now. And the basic difference between Zara, Uniqlo and H&M is Zara is also a fast fashion brand, and Zara in 1 year produced 10,000 different styles, while other brands don't do that much. They only derive like 2,000 to 4,000 per year styles, and but Zara is the only brand who made 10,000 and more than 10,000 design in a year. So Zara is like more fast fashion, trending, and Zara don't take that much of stress on advertising, and their fashion speaks a lot. And if we talk about Uniqlo is also a good brand, and it's a Japanese brand, as you all know. And Uniqlo designs are like simple and practical, and most of their fashion is from Japan only. And yeah, this is a basic difference. And if we talk about H&M, so H&M is more affordable. And but if you talk about Zara upperwear are like more expensive. Not that Zara is also affordable, but in terms of bottom or upperwear, Zara upperwear is expensive and bottom wear is less expensive. And Zara design their store like they have all range within a single store, but in H&M they have different concept for like, if they have different concepts and for higher range also. And this is the basic difference I find out. And but all the three brands are like fast fashion only. And that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.